Welcome to the Core 2 video lesson for October 25th, 2016, for the Honors Core 2 class. We're talking about similar triangles today, and I have an example here. I'm going to select this triangle and make a copy of it, the triangle ABC. I'm going to compare that to the triangle DEF. And I notice if I'm looking around and I compare that triangle, what I see is that all of the angles are the same. That's one of the most fundamental things about similar figures. All the angles have to be the same. And also with figures in general, the sides have to be proportional. But with a triangle, once you have all the angles the same, it forces the sides to be proportional. Um, so if I look at these, I can see they're similar because the angles are the same. If I compare the angles, so I know they're similar. The question is, how much do I stretch ABC to get triangle DEF? And I'll notice if I stretch triangle ABC, I can stretch it to where the side that's 10, I can stretch it to where it would be 15. But I have to stretch all the other sides as well. So I am going to look at the question of what is x, what is y. So I know they're similar because I've compared the angles. 10 is compared to side 15 is what we call a corresponding part because 10 is across from angle B, 15 is across from angle E, and we've seen that angle B and angle E are the same. So these are corresponding sides, and I can tell that side DF is 1.5 bigger than side AC because 10 is 15 is 1.5 times bigger than 10. So I will write that proportion, and I will say that equals my new ratio of sides. So I'll look at my new side. I'm going to look at side X first. So I'll take X and compare it to side 12 because X is across from F, which we saw is the same as C. 12 is across from C. So I will put X over 12. And that gives me the other part of my proportion. Now we solve that the way we did with proportions in class yesterday. Some of us just multiplied both sides by 12. We had 12 times 15 divided by 10. Some of us cross-multiplied. 15 times 12 equals 10 times x. And then we divided by 10. So I'm going to go ahead and write that one out. 15 times 12 equals x. I'm sorry, 10x. And we divide both sides by 10. We get 15 times 12 divided by 10, or 1.5 times 12. That's actually 18 equals x. You can find y the same way. I'm going to let you do that. Pause the video now and see if you can find y. Thank you.